Hey guys, this is Dave from Asset Plant Machinery. Today we're going to overview our new STEELMASTER Industrial Variable Rake hydraulic guillotine. This particular model is our 3200 by 8mm Variable Rake CNC controller. This heavyweight weighs in at about 8,000 kilos, so it's actually built tough all the way around. We've got heavy duty steel fabricated frame, plate that's thicker than most others on the market. At STEELMASTER we specify heavier grade plate, thicker material, because our machines are built to be industrial tough, used all day, every day. So let's run through some of the features. As I said, 3200 by 8mm capacity. We've got the front lift up panel there as well, so you can see the large heavy duty individual clanking jacks. We run this one here, we run a P40 touch German CNC controller. So everything's operated via the actual controller there, which is your variable rake angle, your cutting length, programming, everything's on the touchscreen controller. So we'll just turn that on so you can actually hear this machine run. It runs low noise, Rex Roth, low noise hydraulics. Everything, all the components on our machines are off the shelf, name brand, quality components. So look at the big steel, heavy duty squaring arm there as well. Solid steel. Come over here, if you look on the squaring arm, we've also got a key feature as well. We've also got the angle guide there as well. So like if you're doing sort of angle shearing, you can slide this up and down and basically do your 45s or whatever angle you need to do. Thickness of the plate, all round, super heavy duty, that's what we specify. So the general build on this, so the benefits about being a variable rake guillotine is you can vary your rake angle from say 0.5 degrees to say 3 degrees. Why would you want to vary the rake angle? If you're cutting strips, bring it down to sort of half a degree or 1 degree, and it stops the twist of the material. So that's why a variable rake guillotine is actually beneficial. Also, compared to a standard hydraulic guillotine or a swing beam guillotine, they're stronger. Our standard 3206 guillotine weighs in at about 6,700 kilos. As I said, this is 8,000 kilos. So there's an extra nearly 1.5 ton worth of steel in this machine. So truck and bodybuilders, heavy duty use, this is what you need. So around the machine itself, as I said, 3200 cutting area. We've got heavy duty front sheet supports on this. We've got rollerball transfers all around. It's a servo ball screw back gauge. It goes out to 1 metre. So that in itself is also a fantastic benefit to most steel fabricators. We've got a small side throat just down there as well, around the back of the machine. We've got the safety cut-off guards. So there's your asset sticker right over there. So we've got the laser guard that will actually turn the machine off. As I said, 1 metre ball screw back gauge. We offer this machine in 3.2 by 8mm, 4 metre by 8mm, 3 metre by ½ inch and 4 metre by ½ inch, 4 main models. So come back around the front, we'll actually stroke the machine and you can hear the machine working. So it's got low noise hydraulics. So over here on the screen, the back gauge is set to 1 metre, and we'll offer you a more comprehensive video on YouTube of the controller working later. But this is just an overview of our variable rake machine. So simply stroke the pedal and you can hear that stroking. Just coming closer. Clamps material, strokes all the way down. Now, one of the key benefits about our variable rake machine with its back gauge too, the back gauge itself is also raked. So the back gauge will actually follow your rake angles. Most of the variable rake guillotines, the back gauge is fixed to a certain degree. Ours actually contours the rake angle. So if it's on 3 degrees, the back gauge will run at 3 degrees, so it hits the full range. So there's our STEELMASTER Industrial heavy duty variable rake guillotine. So you can find full specs and models on assetplant.com.au. Thanks and have a great day.